Instagram. My name is Kelsey and I do makeup tutorials for you, and we got another makeup tutorial for you today. I know last week we didn't do an eye tutorial, but this week we're back at it again with another eye tutorial. So if you want to see how we created this eye look, then keep watching. Back with another eye look tutorial. And I know last week we didn't really do an eye look tutorial, but we are back at it again. And we're going to be using the Boom palette from Do Color. We're going to be hopping into blue shades because I am wearing a blue shirt. Going in with this teensy blue shade. It's a really pretty blue shade. And I'm going to take this on the outside of my eye here. Back it up. We need to add primer. I'm going to use the Fit Cosmetics. This is their Boi-ing Cakeless concealer. And I'm just going to use this as our primer. Blend it in here. If anybody wonders why I look over here, it's because I have a mirror right here. Just making sure everything is properly placed and done. I'm also going to make sure it goes out a little bit here. Now right in it with the teensy blue shade. It's this really beautiful, bright blue shade. Tap that out here and then kind of drag it a little bit. And then we're going to drag it out here. Gonna bring it up a little bit more, but by tapping a little bit goes a long way for this palette. As you can see, I didn't dip a second time, which is really nice. And I'm just going around my eye socket to create this look. Wipe some of it on my hand here, just some leftovers, and just tap it. Starting the blending process. I know it looks crazy right now, but hopefully as the look progressive, it doesn't look as crazy. Dip it again, but we tapped it in. I'm just going to fill in this little triangle here. This is from Tarte. I'm not sure what brush this is, but it's a pretty nice brush for blending purposes. And I'm kind of just doing circular motions here. I'm going to tilt her head back. Taking it and tapping the colors in as well. Creating this gorgeous, really gorgeous blend here. This is the ColourPop E10 brush. I love this brush. I'm going to go back in with that blue here. And right by the eye socket, I'm just going to add some color. I'm just going to tap on some more color. Right by the eye socket, I'm just following where my eyeball is and taking it out because I want it to blend from dark to light. But since we blended it a lot here, kind of took out the darker shade. So that's what we're just re-adding that. Then I'm just tapping to blend that out a little bit so that way the dark line is not super harsh. Then I'm just taking this and fixing, there's like a weird spot on the outside. And I'm just gonna I'm just fixing the spots that look like they need some more pigment. I'm not taking it all the way up here because that's where I want the blending. From here to here, it has like a nice blending transition. So I'm trying to make sure it looks like that all over the eye. Go back in with our blending brush from Tarte. I'm just gonna fix up right here. We're going to take some concealer, just a smidgen amount. We're taking that same concealer we used to prime the eyes. Adding a little dots to my arm. Ignore the blue, that's what we just used. I'm going to straighten this line up. Just very gently. I'm kind of taking it, using my eyeball as a guide, and then going out. That looks like a really pretty eye. Blend and crease here. Take my shimmer brush, and we're going to go in with this white shade, Current Mood. Kind of have the cut crease mapped out. And for this, we kind of have to like tap and then bring down. I'm leaving this, I'm not bringing it all the way over because I want to use, there's a shimmery blue here too. And I'm going to have it blended too. I'm kind of just having it on like the first portion of the eye, making a small gap closer to the outer part of the eye. Fixing the crease. Now that I kind of defined the eye, I'm going to go in with my finger and just tap on some more white. I'll just flip the brush over. I go in with the blue shade Saucy. It's this blue shimmery shade. I'm just going to go in right where we left that little gap. And to blend, we're just going to tap using that blue. Just going to tap it right next to where I want that blue. And it's helping create that transition. I'm going to do the eyeliner here. We are back with the under eye, continuing with that Boom palette. I'm going in to that small detailed ColourPop E10 brush. I'm going into the shade Wax Ink. I think a pop of color is fun. I'm just going to apply this all over the eye here. And I'm just stamping. Then we're gonna go in shade Beam, apply this in the inner corner of my eye, because I love a pop of color in the inner corner. I'm also going in with the shade Ash and tapping this on my waterline here. Using a new bronzer. This is from Physicians Formula. This is the new butter bronzer, and this is in the shade bronzer. Look how cute the packaging is. I'm obsessed. I really like bronzer. I use it on this side. It looks really good, but I just want to show you how it performs. So let's do a little tap and tap up here. I always put some on my forehead. Obviously, we gotta add some color, and then I lightly just tap. It's not a huge harsh line, and I'm going to add some more closer to the hairline to add dimension. Just go on my entire forehead just to blend. There's barely anything on my brush anymore. I always connect them here. And then I just add some color to my nose, and then I take my foundation brush and pat it here so that way it's not harsh line. Got two blushes here as a scent as well. I'm going in with the shade Saucy Mauve. Same packaging, different color, super cute. how gorgeous this shade is. I'm just going to tap a little bit, and we're just going to always add a little bit and then add some more then, because I don't know the formula quite yet. Sheer but buildable, which is nice, which I like. I'd rather a buildable blush than anything. Here is the final look of the day. I absolutely love it. If you want more details about the other products I've used for this look, then check out the description. I always leave details about the products in the description, so check that out. If you like this type of video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and also hit the bell right beside the subscribe button to be notified of when I post a new video, which I post a new video every Wednesday, so keep a lookout for that. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be true, be you, be beautiful. Kelsey signing off.